Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making sopapillas. They are served hot with honey and for any occasion. Let's get started. For ingredients today, we'll be using flour, oil, baking powder, and salt, and 1.5 cups of water. The way we're going to start right now, we are going to be getting 4 cups of flour. So use some cinnamon if you want cinnamon on them. You do the cinnamon with the sugar, but today we did powdered sugar and honey, and this is how they look. They look good, don't they? And it was quick and fast to make. Let's give them a try. Ready? Very good. Very warm, sweet, a little crispy. You will want to make them over and over again. I hope you like this easy recipe. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.